Okay, there we go. It's bloomed. I don't think that's what you call it, whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna start mixing it up. There we go. I don't have a big plastic bowl. We threw them all away. And I keep forgetting to buy them. So I'm gonna take the yeast, the water, and the sugar. And put in, it would be normally a bowl, but I don't have one right now. I know. Should have got one earlier. So I'll just get that in there. Okay, so. Okay. Then we're going to add more warm water. Now this water here, I got out of the tap. It's warm. It's not hot. I'd say that's one. This is actually 20 ounces, I believe, which is 2.5 cups. So that's a lot of water. But I'm going to do that because you can also use warm milk, whatever you have, powdered milk, whatever. Powdered milk really makes it taste better, but don't have any. So about 2.5 cups of water I have in here. Depending on what size you're going to make. I'm sure you're not going to make this much. And I'm almost thinking that I may need a little bit more because I'm trying to make a big batch. You know what? I'm going to go with that. So about 2.5 cups of water. Get this out of the way. Okay. So we got that, right? Now we're going to add more sugar. We're going to add salt. Salt is basically for flavor. I've made mistakes where my fry breads come out very salty, so I'm very scary of it. I made something the other night and I added too much salt. I made banana bread. I think because when I was measuring it, this is an adjustable measuring thing, and I had it on tablespoon when I was supposed to be doing teaspoon. So with my batch, I'm going to use a little bit more, maybe. I would say a teaspoon for you if you're doing a smaller batch. See how it goes over. Because you don't want it too salty, but it does add flavor to it. That's the main thing for me. Now when it comes to sugar, I'm a little heavy-handed because my family likes it more sweeter. I would say even for sugar, it's going to be at least maybe a half a cup. Like I said, I'm a little heavy-handed with the sugar because it's just the way my family prefers it. And I believe that's the way Grandma made it. But I learned how to make this by myself. She could make the bannock bread. She could make the type that has the baking powder. I can't make that kind. The yeast has always worked for me. So I'm just dissolving the salt and the sugar. And then Grandma always added oil to her breads. She said it made it fluffy. A lot of people don't do it. But you know what? I am. So I'll be measuring just this is a tablespoon. We'll say a tablespoon's worth. Okay, so there that goes. Okay. So once again, stir it up. As I look at it, I really think I might have to add a little more water. So I'm looking at it, eyeballing it, and I'm thinking how much flour I want to add. Because I want it to be a ball, pretty good sized ball. At least to fill half of this. You know what, I'm going to go with it as is. The only thing with this one, at the store, there was no regular flour. So I have the all-purpose. And this is called self-rising. I think because it has baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and it has riboflavin. It's salt. See, I added salt. Well, we're gonna have to use this last because I wouldn't have added salt if I would have read that. I didn't realize it had salt in it. But we'll start adding the flour. So to begin, add, to mine I'm going to start with 2. That's when I switch to the wooden spoon to mix it because it'll get all caught up in this little booger. So I'm mixing it just like you're mixing a batter, more like. It's more battery. I'll show you right now as I add it, the changes. It's going to be lumpy, but you're going to get the lumps out. That's no problem.